I am going to make some spare ribs in a slow cooker, guys. Here's the thing that goes in the slow cooker. Alright. And here's my spare ribs. Those look good, huh? I got 2 of them. They're called country spare ribs. Even them cotton pickers went up high. So I've got 2 of them spare ribs. Well, I got the 100% apple cider. I'm going to take that. And that's going to go in here. Then I got my good old molasses. And that's old grandma's good old molasses. We're going to use that. We're going to use brown sugar. We're going to mix all that in here. So, we're going to mix spare ribs. Then I'm going to put them in a slow cooker and let them cook for a while. I'm waiting for Cindy because she's going to help me pour the apple cider in there. She just got done changing my leg. See, there's my change of a leg. It was leaking like nothing. Yeah, that's why I didn't make it to Mayberry, because I couldn't travel that far. The leg was leaking. But that's alright, everybody else have fun. Enjoy yourselves. Because I didn't make it don't mean you can't have fun. And it's cloudy outside, it's going to rain today. It's going to be one good week of weather, maybe 2. And look out, snow's coming. Oh, did I say that bad word? Aww. I said the snow word. Uh-oh, people are going to kill me. That's alright. I did a video. I know some of you didn't see the video. I put a video up Saturday morning. And it was Corey and Lori. We met them in Delaware, Ohio. The Northward RV life. He gave me a little picture of the MacTall Bridge. He made me in tears on M21. So, guess what I did to him? I gave him a bigger one. Picture. If you guys want to see the picture, you can send me an email or just ask if you got Facebook, and I'll send the picture right to you, because it was dark at nighttime when we did it, but we took a regular picture flash of it, of the camera. They come out good. I sent it to Jack already. Mary Jones has it. Who else did I send it to? Oh, I know who. KT. Oh, Slow Modem. Well, he sent me a thing today on, sent me a cup of coffee this morning. I said, what? He said he was thinking about me. I said, that's alright. You can think all you want about me. Good old BJ and KT. Their meetup's next in April. Matter of fact, I think that's the first meetup. End of April. Very last weekend of April. In 2022. That's the first meetup. And let's see what's after that. I don't know. Branson, maybe? Yeah, it'd be Branson then. Then M22, and back to Mayberry. But there should be other ones in there. Oh, wait a minute. No. I just thought of something. Box Van D's meetup's first. In January. Hers is first. Then KT's in April. Then probably Branson. Then M22. Then Mayberry. If you guys got any other, just want you send them to me and I'll do videos on them. I'll make sure everybody out there knows about them. We'll get the word out on these meetups. That's what I could do for you guys. I support all you guys anyhow, so maybe I'll do the meetup. I could put it out there for you on a video, shout it out, We could post it. What else we could do? We could have fun. I could do all that. That give me something to do instead of be sitting in this darn chair being bored. Especially winter's coming. Now, if you want me to do a video, we'll mention all the meetups. I'll get me a big old blackboard, chalkboard, and I'll hang it up, and I'll just write them all down. And then we all show the blackboard. Hey, this is coming up. This is coming up. There. Hey, that's a good idea. Ooh, I'm coming up with some fancy ideas today. Now I'm gonna make. I got a room I'm working on. I'm gonna throw a lot of stuff out of that one room. I'm gonna get rid of it. I've been in a cleaning mood, guys. I'm gonna throw stuff out. I think I'm gonna make it to where I can come on live. I haven't been on live for a while. I need to do that. Maybe I get Cindy to sit right next to me. We could do a live together. Yeah, right. Well, she's got a bigger mouth than I do. Oh, I hope she'll see this video. Oh, come on, Cindy. I don't know if I can grab that and pour it myself. I got one of these hands that loves to shake and then shake and roll. Oh, yeah, here we go. Maybe I can. Let me try it. Yeah, workout time. That's right, buddy. It'll give me some muscles. Take the lid off. I got poured in there. Can I see? Hey, look at this. I'm doing it. See? I'm doing it. Woohoo! I know I could do this. I don't need her. Alright, that should be enough for now. Let me check. Yeah. That looks good. I think I just need enough to cover the bottom. Oh, that apple cider smells good. That's fresh apple cider from the orchard down the street here. We have an apple guy sells apples down here. That's from Apple Castle. Hey, honey, I did it.
You did what, honey?
I poured the apple cider in.
Get enough in there?
Yeah, it looks it. Yeah, I think so. Now I gotta open these. Yeah. Oh, here she comes. Hey, hi, honey.
Hi, honey.
Wow, you still say good morning, people.
No, it's good afternoon, people.
Okay, I need them open. Gonna put one layer down first. Ah! You're playing Chucky.
Yeah, I'm playing Chucky, honey.
No, we covered Chucky. They still froze.
Yeah.
What? It can't be. Alright. Just put one layer down. Then I'm going to tell you what to do next. Just get them next to each other if we can. There you go. See, honey.
Okay.
Alright, now take your brown sugar over there, open it. You're going to put brown sugar on top of them and put molasses on top of them. Then you're going to lay this on top of the other one. And we're just going to do that. Otherwise, that's how we're going to do it. And after these are all done, I'll have to turn the video back on. It's going to be a part 2. And everybody's just going to have to see what they come out looking like.
So what I'm going to do is sprinkle some brown sugar on there?
Yep.
Or you just want me to dump it on there?
No, dump it. Just put it. Just, yeah, it has to be on top of that. Well, I lost everything. Where are you?